Today we're going to be doing a video on the Royal Master Grinder's needle grinder to show the versatility of the machine as well as the ease of use for the operator. So we already have a program loaded in to grind a 47th thou trocar. So I'm going to load parts in, and then Bob is going to go through the screen and show us running a cycle. So right now we have our end effector set up with multiple sizes of collets so that we can run multiple parts without any changeover. So Bob, if you could close the collet there and then hit part loaded, and now the grind cycle will start automatically. So right now, the first step of the program is that we're grinding a pencil point. So this is a whole program for the trocar that's being ground right now. So our first step, we're doing a continuous grind where we are rotating continuously to grind the 15-degree tip angle that we're aiming for. And this is to remove the bulk of the material. After that step's done, the robot backs up, rotates the part, and then goes in and grinds the first flat. After it finishes the first flat, it will back out, rotate 120 degrees, go back in, do the second flat, and repeat with the third flat at 240 degrees. So right now the grind cycle is being finished up. So Bob, if you can hit cycle start there, the top left corner, and then open the collets here. So that was a complete grind cycle of the trocar. So now we will load in another program. So Bob, you can go all the way over and you can download the Francine and hit OK to accept that. And now the new program automatically populates itself. Okay, so the collets are already open. I will load the parts in. Okay, Bob, you can close the collets and select part loaded again. So right now we're grinding a 5-sided Francine. So we have 5 steps in the program, which will just be the 5 flats. So they're all spaced 72 degrees apart. We put in the desired tip angle here, or 20 degrees. And then these numbers here correlate with how much material we are removing per pass. So every time we move across the wheel, we will compensate in 3/1000ths of an inch. And we will do that and continue across and repeat until we meet the comp total. And then once we get all that material removed, we'll do 2 free passes where we just go across the wheel twice at that last step and then move on to the next step. Okay, so that is the end of the Francine program. Bob, you could cycle start again and open the collets here. Okay, and then the last program we're going to do today is the diamond point, so you can download that. Okay, collets are already open, so I will load the parts in for you. Okay, you can close the collets and select part loaded. So to achieve the different geometries on our needle tips, we basically achieve this through the rotational position of the collets as well as the height that we go to on the wheel to get a different tip angle. So right now we're pretty low on the wheel, so we can get to our 10 degree. We'll remove most of the material because in the diamond most of our material is coming off this side here, and that's where we're doing in our first and second step. So we grind that material off, we back out, rotate 180 degrees, we Do the same step to remove the other side. Back out, rotate 77.75 degrees and move up higher on the wheel to get our 45-degree tip angle. And then repeat for the fourth side. And that, and we have one more face on this. And we can save as many programs as we want in here. So whenever you make a new part, you just save that, and then the next time you go to make it, you just recall it in your part select screen, download it, and it will automatically populate. Okay.